Here's how to do question 11. A 5-kilogram cart rolls on a track as shown. If it is isolated from the environment, what is the height of the hill at point 1? So let's first set, because there's a lot going on here, let's set a reference height of 0. I'm going to set it right here. And here's why. I need to compare the total energy. I need to get the total energy of the system. And although I know that point 2 right here has a height of 6 meters below the ground, which you could call -6, I don't know the speed. So I can't actually calculate the total energy at point 2, but I can at point 3 because I have a speed and I can pick that to be h equals 0. So there we go. So let's label the types of energy. And we're going to assume that at point 1 it's not moving. It doesn't say that in the question, but I'm writing the question and I'm saying I forgot to write that down. So I forgot to write down that V1 equals 0. You can't actually make that assumption because you're not writing the questions, but that's okay. So we've got GPE at point 1. So basically what I'm saying is if you got this question as written, you would need to ask the teacher, are we assuming it starts at rest? And I would say, oh, crap, you guys, I made a mistake. Yes, assume it starts at rest. All right, GPE1, and then at point 3, there's kinetic energy only. So here we go. Let's set up my table. Points 1 and 3, GPE, great, KE, great, and E total. This is like taking over the whole screen, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to start off with calculating KE3. KE3 equals 1/2 MV3 squared. And I know that's 1/2 times 5 times 25 squared. Let's do that math. Nope. 2.5 times 625 is, oh, that's right, this is a stupid number, 1,562.5 joules. And by stupid number, I mean hard for me to fit on my screen. 1,562.5. Great. We also know that at point 3, there's only KE. There is no GPE. So our total energy, 1,562.5. That's our total energy. It's also our total energy at point 1. We also decided, because I'm telling you, that there's no speed at point 1, so there's no kinetic energy. So we know the GPE at point 1 is 1,562.5 joules. So now we use that whole idea that GPE equals 1,562.5 to calculate height. 1,562.5 equals MGH1. So this is why it's a stupid number, because I'm going to run out of room. 5 times 10 times H1. That looks like a 6. I don't want that. 1, 0. There we go. H1. That looks like a 16. Well, there we go. It's better. All right, so all I really have to do is divide both sides by 50 to get H1. So that means H1 equals 31.25 meters.